Okay. After that, you can decorate with chocolate decoration also, made with carrots. Cake is ready. Okay. After decoration, you can do that you want. For decoration, you can decorate with fruits, you can decorate with chocolate, with macaron. It's just suggestion of decoration. Okay? Do you have some question about that?
Yeah. What was the proportion of milk, cream, and chocolate in the mousse?
You don't have the recipe in the. They don't have the recipe.
No, it's not there.
But I will explain you, no problem. So, I can give you the recipe if you want to write it. For the dark chocolate mousse, milk and cream, you can put 120, the same weight, milk and cream. This is mixed together and warm. After you add inside 100 grams of Bavarois walnut. This is the jellyfion powder. This mixture you put on 450 grams of, 270 grams of dark chocolate, Belcolade. And after you incorporate 450 grams of whipped cream. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, no more question for that? Okay, so if you don't have more questions, we will continue with the third product. That is the tart. This is a lemon tart, but a little bit different than the traditional one, just with the cream. It's a tart that it's combined with cream and cake and a crust baked together. So the idea of this tart is to have a base of short crust in the ring or in the mold. This one is just a ring without bottom, but you can use also a mold closed in the bottom, no problem. So the idea is to have the short crust base, and after inside I will put a lemon filling and a cake on top, the terrace satin cream cake. That it's also a cake that the same range than the whole grain. It's based on oil, but this one is without whole grain inside. So it's a neutral flavor. So first of all, I will put the lemon filling in the tart shell. The tart shell is non-baked. So for the filling, I use the crème fill lemon. Crème fill, it's a custard cream, 100% ready to use, that you can use for baked and also for cold application. For me, I will use for baked application, and you will see that my colleague after will show you in cold application to make mousse. So also it's a range that we have different flavor. So first of all, I take the crème-filled lemon and I will pipe approximately half of centimeter in the bottom of the shell. Okay, so like this first, you put the filling inside, half centimeter, and now we will pipe on top the cake. So the cake, it's a terra satin cream cake, neutral, the base is neutral, and that I do inside, I just make the basic recipe, so the standard recipe it's just the cake mix that it's in powder, and you will add inside, we have two types, the egg-free and the with egg. This one is with egg.
Yes.
Yeah, with egg. And now you will just add inside the water, the egg, and the oil. You mix all together 3 minutes, and you obtain your cake mass. And with this, I will pipe on the top of the lemon cream. Just in the recipe here is the standard recipe, and I just add inside some zest of lemon, fresh lemon. And now I pipe the cake batter on the top. Like this. And now your tart is ready to go in the oven. So the base, it's baked all together. For the people that they want the short crust more crunchy, they can pre-bake the shell and after make the tart and bake with filling and the cake again. But if it's not doesn't matter for you, you can make it directly short crust, filling, cake and bake all together. So after baking, you will obtain